Introduce short overview of Halikao 4K dash cam, front and rear, dash camera for cars built-in Wi-Fi GPS, dual dash camera with Sony sensor, 2.45-inch IPS screen 170-degree wide angle. Free 32GB card, maximum support 256GB. If you want to get full features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You enter our here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Of course, all this helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Again, if you want to get full features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.